So starting with assignment number 17, steps in data management include all of the above. Yes. Then when we are creating variable name, it should be A and C. This and this. The data management each row record. Correct. What are the that we need to check before doing data entry? A and C. Yes. Automatic. This is generally only kept for archiving purpose. Otherwise, in data entry, we don't generally pay much attention to the patient's name. That is because the data, that is a mean blood glucose level or any such value, that is kept into account. Identifier, all of the above. Yes. Key elements, yes, all of the above. Design of data collection instrument, all of the above. When we are coding for data entry, we should prefer numerical coding. Decide on the codes for missing values and not applicable item. Yes. And information on various levels, village, household, individual. We can store the information. Yes, true. Following are not true about normalized database. Not true. This is not true. It facilitates further data aggregation rather. This should be done in the starting. This is not data management and all that. Before you even start your study, you should apply for the ethics committee clearance. Then after that, next question, data documentation includes all of the following. Storage information, yes. Structure, variables, history and storage, yes, all of them. Structure, variable, history and storage information. Here history is not mentioned, that's why. Okay. Variable name should be correct. All of the above. Design of data entry can be outlined as identifier, demographics, outcome and exposure. Yes. First you will identify, then see the demographics, outcome and exposure. Yes, this is false actually, because coding with 0 and 1 should be avoided for dichotomous variables. Yes, decide on missing values, avoid cumbersome codes. The specific reason why 0 and 1 we are not using for dichotomous, I have told you 0, 1 and 9. Data entry, yes. Partially clean the data, yes. Researcher and data stated that the function may take any value between 50 to 150 in this. Research any coding, yes. True, that's true. Missing value as 99 may lead to erroneous result. Any value, no. So I think I take any value. While documenting the storage information, you need to document media, location and backup information, which are the following is incorrect. It is advisable to exclude the missing values. No, never exclude the missing values, include them, always. Incorrect normalized database, does not know it facilitates. False about it can be same for no. It is unique. UID, like we have our Aadhaar. Everyone has a unique Aadhaar number. Similarly, to Aadhaar is unique identifier. It is the same for meaning it is unique for each individual. The following is not a quality assurance measure. Avoiding skip patterns, no. Never ever avoid skip patterns in QA or quality assurance. Data each column represents a variable. Yes, each column is a variable, each row is a record. R for row, R for record. Column CV. We all have a CV, curriculum vitae. I have my CV for applying to a job in pharmacology as an assistant professor. So everyone has a CV, a resume. CV column variable. Record row. The following is false about mother-daughter. Each database cannot have its own unique identifier. This is false. They should have. They should have a unique identifier system. Yes. Yeah, false. Coding it should be avoided. No, we can use in coding dichotomous variables. Yes, this is false. Data dictionary. It is created after the data entry is started. No, no. It should be present beforehand. Have you ever smoked cigarettes? Yeah, this is a categorical question. Yes or no? Categorical. Correct. This is stage, the order, ordinally, order. Study with 100% ever continuous variable. It was fingertip are missing in the forms of 999. Yes, they can be coded 999. You know 019, right? Yeah. True or false when entering. Study about pressure coding, missing element erroneous result. Yeah, true. Okay, bye.